One day, Little Duck saw duckweed. "I want it," said Duck. Then Little Goose saw it too. "Me too," said Goose. They stood still by the duckweed. No one spoke. They turned away, back to back. Duck felt tired inside. He swam away quietly. Then he noticed a small green lily pad. He held it up like a little flag. Goose blinked. "What's that?" The lily pad wobbled. Goose laughed. "Ha ha! She found a lily pad too." They giggled together. Then they shared the duckweed. A small lily pad made things better. Like and follow.